Hey boys and girls, here we are with page 81. Make sure that you have it rounding at the top of your paper and that it says 81 at the bottom. So we're going to zoom in to this first section. You can see that you need to round these numbers to the nearest 10. So over to the side, let's write the cheer. 5 or more, up the score. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Circle the 5 and up the score. 4 or less, let it rest. 4, 3, 2, 1, let it rest. Okay, this is just to help us remember. Also think about them on a number line, just like the video that we just watched. Okay, now we're going to do just a couple from each section. Remember, we're rounding to the nearest 10. 26. The bossy number is going to be in the ones place. The 6 tells the 2 to go up the score. 30. All right, let's look at this one, 148. I'm going to zoom in really quickly. 148. So the bossy number is the 8, and 8 is more than 5, so it definitely goes up to the next 10, which is 150. The 8 tells the 4 to go up. All right, let's find one that's not going to go up, that's going to let it rest. Let's look at 261. Remember, we're still rounding to the nearest 10, so we're going to look at that bossy number 1. The 1 tells the 6 to stay the same. Let it rest. 260. All right, let's look at the next section. We have round these numbers to the nearest 100. Remember, we're rounding to the nearest 100, so when we're doing the hundreds, the bossy number is in the tens place. So here we have 6, which is going to make it go up to 400. 452, do the same thing. Let's look at this one. The 2 is going to make the 7 stay the same. So it'll be 700. All right, on this section, you're going to tell me both rounding to the nearest 10 and 100. So for the nearest 10, we would have 310 because the 4 tells the 1 to stay the same. And for the 100, the 1 is also less than 5, so it will stay the same as well. And if you think about it on a number line, from 300 to 400, right in the middle would be 350. 314 would be really close over here. So it's definitely closer to 300. Do the rest of these. Make sure you're careful on these two, on these that have 4 digits. Just do the same thing that you've been doing. Don't let the thousands place scare you. There's nothing to be scared about. In fact, let's go ahead and do this one at the bottom just to prove to you that you can still do this. So round to the nearest 10. Look at your bossy number in your ones place. 3 is less than 5, so it stays 80. 8,680. Now round to the nearest 100. Look at your 10. 8 is 5 or more, up the score, so the 6 goes up to 700. 8,700. And if you think about that, it makes sense on the number line. And in section 4, you're just going to be multiplying and solving for the unknown. And that's all we have, boys and girls. Have a great afternoon. Bye.